at Kathy's, as you can tell, and it looks like I'm going to be here for a while. Down here and show you. See that big oil spot? I don't know. Supposed to go into a mechanic later this afternoon. Sorry about the sun. Anyway. Yeah, I'm not happy. This is getting really, really old. But I gotta take the truck in and have some guy look at it. My brother seems to think it's like an oil seal or something. I'm trying to unhook the truck while I'm talking to you. Or the trailer from the truck. Anyway, so I'll get it taken into the shop in, I don't know, half hour or so. And I'll be back and let you know what's going on. Bye. Well, it's the next day. It's Friday. And I'm really concerned about that leak, whatever it is. Antifreeze, oil, transmission fluid. I don't know what it is, but those guys couldn't find it yesterday. Strange. Oops, sorry. So, last night I was thinking I will take the truck out, drive it, get it super, super hot, and then try and take it, well, I will take it back to the mechanic and see if it leaks after it's been driven for a long time. I know the guys at this one shop that I went to said they left the truck running for about an hour and it didn't do anything. So I thought, well, maybe if I drive it. So it is 7:15 in the morning here. No, where you are in California. So I'm gonna take it out, drive it, and take it to the mechanic and see what happens. All right, I'll be back. I'll turn the dash cam on and try to add it to the video. I haven't figured out how to do that. Just to show you around where I'm going here in South Sioux City, Nebraska. All right, let's go. All right, I think I got the camera hooked up, so here we go. I already told Kathy via text message that I was taking off to go do this. Her door wasn't open this morning, so I don't know if she's not feeling well, but she does know where I am and what I'm doing, so. So he agreed with me, drive it for a while and bring it back. He is of the impression that it is the antifreeze overflow valve that is not fitting tightly where it's supposed to. So I'm going to run to the post office and mail some gifts to my grandsons, and take it for a long drive after that. He said to drive it 15 to 20 miles and then come back, so that'd give me 40 miles of driving. And he'd take another look at it at that point. So that's what we're gonna do.